legit. Anything you want.
Ethereum ETH still leads over XRP. Announcements create excitement in the community. Ethereum ETH has been holding steady on the cryptocurrency charts, maintaining a healthy disparity in terms of market cap with XRP. The Ethereum community is also waiting for its proposed hard fork titled Constantinople, which has come under the scanner after concerns were raised by an independent Ethereum developer. Lane Ruddick had released a report recently which provided an insight on the issues within the hard fork on Ropsten testnet. The developer had raised a red flag when a bug was discovered in the Arity implementation of the Ethereum blockchain. Ruddick stated, apparently, in this case, there was some confusion over the meaning of terms like transaction and execution frame that may have contributed to the bug. Ethereum was also in the news earlier when Holger, an official from the Ethereum Foundation, spoke about the clients under the ambit of Ethereum. He stated that it was too slow, still unfit for mass adoption. There were some positive announcements as well, with the developer stating that the communication flow was easy within the Ethereum network as it happens only between accounts and on the blockchain. Holger further went on to say, "The main question here is, are we doing this cross-sharding communication synchronously or asynchronously? By synchronously we mean, are we doing this within one transaction and to get the result within this one transaction? Which is what you would expect and would be much more convenient for users." Although Vitalik Buterin co-founded cryptocurrency has been under attack from economists such as Nouriel Roubini, the developments have not stopped. Recently, it was revealed that Ethereum will be available for trade on Dukaskopi Bank, one of Europe's largest exchanges. The announcement stated, continuing infrastructural preparation for its own ICO for cryptocurrencies on Ethereum blockchain, Dukaskopi Bank starts trading operations on Ether to US dollar ETH USD CFD.
Ethereum surges, regains number 2 spot from Ripple, $3 billion gap. For the first time since December 2017, XRP, the native cryptocurrency of Ripple, overtook Ethereum on September 21. However, the so-called flippening for XRP did not last long, as Ethereum, ETH recorded a 17% increase in price and added $3 billion to its market cap. The sudden increase in the price of ETH allowed Ethereum to overtake Ripple and secure the number 2 spot in the global cryptocurrency rankings. The trend of Ethereum versus Ripple and Bitcoin Cash. In December 2017, Ripple overtook Ethereum both when the price of XRP initially increased to $1.50 as well as when it peaked at $3. Even when XRP was at its peak, Ripple's flippening moment did not last, as Ethereum eventually regained momentum and added billions of dollars to its market valuation. A similar trend occurred when Bitcoin Cash, BCH, overtook ETH after reaching $5,500. At the time, in November 2017, Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin said, "Eventually, within weeks, Ethereum found its way to the number 2 spot in global rankings, maintaining its position in the cryptocurrency market as the second most dominant and valuable asset." In the past several hours, despite the strong momentum Ripple demonstrated after recording a 110% increase in value this week, Ethereum rebounded and added $3 billion to its market cap. The primary factor in Ripple's price increase was quite clear: due to massively oversold conditions, a spike in volume led investors to engage in FOMO, fear of missing out, creating a domino effect across major exchanges. As CryptoSlate reported yesterday, it is possible to argue that the abrupt increase in XRP's value was caused by Ripple's announcement to release a cryptocurrency product in October, but due to the lack of information on the scheduled product launch, it remains unclear what sort of impact the product launch will have on the market. As such, wholly attributing the price trend of XRP to the scheduled announcement of Ripple is weak, and supporting the movement of XRP with technical indicators and evidence is far stronger. However, the same argument can be attributed to ETH for one main reason: Both XRP and ETH experienced a massive sell-off between June and August. Both cryptocurrencies suffered 40 to 50% losses against the US dollar, while Bitcoin only lost 9%. If XRP initiated a short-term corrective rally and then a proper movement on the upside afterward, it was only a matter of time for ETH to follow and initiate a similar movement, which it did. In a sense, Ethereum recovering and adding billions to its market cap exactly when Ripple flippant was expected, and most traders expressed their skepticism about the event. As impressive the XRP rally was, it was not enough to replace Ethereum as the second most valuable cryptocurrency in a 7-day period. XRP needed breathing room to avoid a significant short-term fall as a result of oversold conditions. In the short term, it is unlikely to see XRP flip an Ethereum again. Where the market goes next. Brazil's largest independent brokerage, meanwhile, stated today that it would launch a Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange to process trades on behalf of its customers. The announcement of Grupo XP, owner of XP Investimentos S.A., will expose the crypto market to 3 million Brazilian investors. While CEO Guilherme Benchimol admitted that he is not personally a fan of the crypto market, he said that the demand is simply too strong to ignore. I must confess, this is a theme I'd rather it didn't exist, but it does. We felt obligated to start advancing in this market. Grupo XP's decision to integrate crypto at this particular juncture is significant, as the Brazilian government asked banks not to deal with crypto businesses. With positive regulation-related progress happening in developing crypto markets, it can be said that the short-term rally of the market will be well supported by the rapidly maturing infrastructure of international markets. Ethereum, currently ranked number 2 by market cap, is up 9.14% over the past 24 hours. ETH has a market cap of $24.82 billion with a 24-hour volume of $2.85 billion. Ethereum is up 9.14% over the past 24 hours.